Yeah, children, sixth problem in exercise 8.1, that is diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisects angle A. Show that first condition is it bisects angle C also. Second condition, ABCD is a rhombus. See what is given? Given ABCD is a parallelogram. In that AC bisects angle A. Prove that AC also bisects angle C as well as ABCD is a rhombus. So given ABCD is a parallelogram. In parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. And also given AC bisects angle A. So this angle is equal to this angle. Angle CAB is equal to angle CAD. That is also given. Next, RTP. So AC bisects angle C, and second condition ABCD is a rhombus. See the proof. Observe the triangles ABC and CDA. Triangle ABC, triangle CDA. These what are equal? AB is equal to CD. Already given. AB is equal to CD. This is given. Next, BC is equal to DA. This is also given. Next, AC is the common side in both the triangles. So AC is equal to AC. Common side. So this is a side, this is a side, this is a side. By triple congruency, these two triangles are congruent. For triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by triple rule. Once the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. So observe their corresponding angles. This angle equal to this angle. Angle CAB. This angle equal to this angle. Angle ACD. And one more. This angle is equal to this angle. Angle ACB is equal to angle CAD. This is 2, this is 3. But given an angle CAB is equal to angle CAD. Given angle CAB is equal to angle CAD. This is 1. From 1 and 2, what you can write? Angle CAB is equal to angle ACD. Angle CAB is equal to angle CAD. So from 1 and 2, so angle ACD is equal to angle CAD. Angle CAD. ACD is equal to CAD. But what is angle CAD? That is angle ACB. And this angle ACD is equal to angle CAD nothing but angle ACB. ACB. From 3. What is 3? Angle CAD is equal to angle ACB. So angle ACD is equal to angle ACB. ACD is equal to angle ACB. So these two angles are equal. Therefore, AC bisects angle C. For AC bisects angle C also. So ABCD is a parallelogram. AC bisects angle A. So these two angles are equal. Let it be some x. This is also x. But these two angles are equal. This x means this is also x. These two angles are equal. This is also x. So observe triangle ABC. This angle is equal to this angle. In triangle ABC, angle ACB is equal to angle CAB. In triangle ABC, angle ACB is equal to angle CAB. In triangle, these two angles are equal. So their opposite sides also equal. Angle ACB opposite is AB. Angle CAB opposite is BC. So AB is equal to BC. But given AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to DA. From these two conditions, AB is equal to BC, AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, CD is equal to DA also. From 1 and 2, we can write AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Already ABC is a parallelogram and all sides are equal. So a parallelogram in which all sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. Therefore ABCD is a rhombus. Hence proved. Next, seventh problem. Given ABCD is a rhombus. So ABCD is a rhombus means in rhombus all sides are equal. It is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So given all sides are equal. What you have to prove? RTP. One is AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. So AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Another condition, BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. See the proof? Observe the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC. In triangle ABC. So AB is equal to BC. Why? Already given. All sides equal in rhombus. So AB is equal to BC. So equal sides, opposite angles also equal. So what is AB opposite angle? Angle ACB. So angle ACB is equal to angle CAB. So this angle equal to this angle. Suppose this is x, this is also x. Let it be some x. Next, observe the triangles ABC and CDA. Triangle ABC, triangle CDA. ABC, CDA. What are equal? AB is equal to CD. CD, this is given. But AB is equal to CD. Next, BC is equal to AD. This is also given. So what is AC? This is a common side. AC is equal to AC. This is common side. Observe, this is side, this is side, this is side. By Triple S congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by Triburis rule. Once the triangles are congruent, their corresponding angles are equal. So, this angle is equal to this angle. If the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. So, angle ACB is equal to angle CAD by CPCT. This is 2. What is one given? Angle ACB is equal to angle CAB. From 1 and 2, angle ACB is equal to angle CAD. Angle ACB is equal to angle CAB. We can write angle CAD is equal to angle CAB. Angle CAD is equal to angle CAB. So these two angles are equal. So therefore AC bisects angle A. AC bisects angle A. See next. So these two angles, angle CAB, this angle is equal to this angle ACD by CPCT. What is the angle CAB? This is equal to this. But angle CAB is equal to angle CAD. Angle CAB is equal to angle ACB. This angle is equal to this angle. This is 1. From 1 and 3, you observe angle CAB. This is equal to this, and CAB is equal to this. So from 1 and 3, so angle ACD is equal to angle ACB, also X. So angle ACB is equal to angle ACD. So therefore these two angles are equal. Therefore AC bisects angle C. AC bisects angle C also. Similarly, we can prove BD also. Similarly, we can prove BD bisects angle B as well as angle D also. Similarly, we can prove that BD bisects angle B as well as angle D.